As gardeners, we're always faced with the frustration of having pests in the garden, whether it be caterpillars, birds, and for me, I'm in the heart of Gippsland, so I get wallabies. So this season, I'm going to take some action. This here is the clear cover greenhouse from White's, which is going to be the first form of pest control in my garden. If you're into chemical-free and organic gardening, just like me, this is perfect for you. It's great for strawberries, sprawling tomatoes, and your leafy veg like lettuce. It has a transparent mesh cover, which still allows for the sunlight to reach the plants. It also allows for airflow and water to pass through. Here's the next one. This is the mesh cover bug and shade, which is perfect for all your sensitive plants, like your root veggies, beans, annuals, so you won't have to worry about the summer sun. It will create the perfect shaded environment for your plants. And both are really easy to set up. Last season also gave me a headache, thanks to the caterpillars. I'm going to use this insect-resistant tunnel here. Just place the hoops into the soil like so. You can move them to be as close or as far away from each other as you like. Once you are happy with the position, grab the mesh cover and lay it over the top. Take the clips and clip them onto the hoops.